There we go. Okay, so I've been working on my mini truck for quite a while now. I put some more decals on it, made it look kind of silly, put some more on there, and now I'm installing. It is the, oh gosh, what the guy's name is. It's on Instagram. It's like 20 bucks plus shipping for this template. Template's real thin, flimsy, like thin as pop can aluminum. And then I took it to a place called White's Heating and Cooling, where they make their own sheet metal stuff, and they cut this out for me out of thick stainless steel, so that way it's not going to bend. I just pop riveted one of the rivets in. I'm using what are called blind pop rivets, which they are a sealed style pop rivet, meaning the end of it is actually enclosed, so that way water can't get inside this. Even if it leaks down the little thing there, it doesn't get inside, because I'm drilling holes in my roof and I don't want it to leak. I'm also using marine grade adhesive sealant to goop the holes shut. But yeah, basically that's what's going on today. Is I'm installing this bad boy. Ooh, yeah. So I got all the pop rivets popped in, I got them all sealed. Now for the best part. Peel off the shiny, shiny, beautiful stainless steel. Oh, yeah. This is the best part. And there you have it, fully installed, ready to rock. Looking pretty as fuck. Yeah. A little janky, but I'm happy with it. I mean, it's supposed to be janky, right? It's mini truck. Hashtag mini truck. Eat, sleep, mini truck. Yeah. I'm gonna work on another project. Apparently the lawnmower, the belt came off, so I gotta do that, but clean up the mess. Props to this. Thanks for watching.